Kebeli pi barang impian subhai pi syutup kubor mentaka janmit cuab dan paj kubor kibabnya ini pet cuai kimat bakongsan. Laraki National Services Day bakat Rio Hashlong Pinewood Hotel. Nakadaw kejong kejing shit kerang palak kesni an kang sipor ya barok kijaka pulih hadangar bat kijaka pemarjan nagamenta shiteo hadu ka arpui terik wiyayong. Penyaj ulam pang ke yang dorbar thoan ke jelau Thomas E Sangma ya ke lang jong ke he Powered Committee. Bat sasangut ki bayabit ya ke Jepang COVID-19 hami kelaya pentip ke Menteri Ketenaga Kerja ikong Emprin Lengdo. Ki kubor ki babnya. Harangkat bat barok kawai keri laraki ke National Services Day bakat Rio hanong bak Shalong ha ke Conference Hall jang ke Pinewood Hotel. Ya akan ke program lapli perdana Menteri Rang Bak Kejala Konrad Sangma. Kibiadan lang akan ke program kilong Chief Secretary ubat DP Waklang Additional Chief Secretary Dr. Shakil Ahmed u Anil Swarup badu Dr. Rakshit Tandon. Ha kejing keren lam kemat Menteri Rang Bak ulakit bakit reng ya barok kibiadan akan ke program bat ula ai kublai ru ya ki officer ya ke jingtro sistem jongki nak benta ke jela bat ke rihi baro kawe ula betha ya ki officer banlong ki minat hakakam bat bakin kenmau ya ke jing kit kli jongki bakin amsya ya lambakla da ka bor ne ke pisa ni kiwe na ki kamram jongki bat ban pele jingmot ban syakri ya ki pajba bat day tang kini hi ki balap ban pun poi syakathong
possible because
let this be a day that reminds you again and again about why they are all here. So I really look forward to working with all of you in this new term. So therefore we are in the new government, a new term has started. So we have a long way ahead and hence I look forward to a lot of positive contribution from all of you and I look forward to us working as a good team. And as I said, when I say team, it means we take responsibility together and we have respect for each other and we work with a sense of a very strong purpose.
Nakadaw jong kejing shit kerang palat jong kesnyi bat banyadai kena na gijing mau Deputy Commissioner ke is Kasils nen kesnyi ula betha ya barok ki jaka pule ki badan hadangar bat ki jaka pemarjan ki bahap apa ke blok mau senram ban kang nadu ka arpuai terik yayong naga benta shiteo ni hadu ban dalam pentip dah kumway. Deputy Commissioner ula betha ru ya barok ki skul ban ampenlong kino ki jingilek kai sabar ki yeng skul. Kementeri Ketenaga Kerja Dr. M. Emprin Lengdo ila ang bahadu menta ke jinglong jingman kadang biang bat kampat dan kanu ke jingja basungsi ha ke jela. Cucu ila ang baka sorkar kadang persyang ban wat lenti kumno ban le naga benta kani ke jingwan kensan ke jing shit kerang ne ke heat wave.
we have sent advisories to DCs to send to schools and institutions to ensure that children do not expose themselves unduly to sunshine and outdoor activities. So far, things are under control. We've not got any report that is alarming in any kind. So we would like to make sure that the state of Meghalaya has the heat wave effects under control.
Ulam pangking dorbar thoang jela Thomas E Sangma nin kesni ula penya ya kejing lang jong ki hai Powered Committee lane HPC halor kejing te ya kejing dorbar thoang batmai hamau diang kibiadan lang akan kejing lang ki kentup ya Menteri Rang Bak Kejala Konrad K Sangma usumbut Menteri Rang Bak Timothy D Shira kinong mi ikmat bakentup ya uba Charles Pengrop ba Lakmen Rumbui bat uba Bante Dor Lengdo Chief Secretary uba DP Waklang Commissioner and Secretary Kementerian Assembly Dr. Andrew Simmons bat kiwe ki hair officer. Hadin balawai kini kejing lang ulam pang lo pentip ba kejing kendo jong ka HPC lani la long ban kalong ban ai ke jing jia menjor lang na banta ke jing te bathma ya ke dom bat kumjo ru ban pentip ya ke jing jing sabda ke bakdo ya ke jing he jong ka kam shu ulam phang ulam pentip baya ka design bathma la panwandor da ka IIT Roorkee bat ka IIT Guwahati da ka banru ba ke jing trekam kan sesedang no ulah benrap balatung ya ke program monitoring committee kat kum ke jing tha na ka IIT Guwahati ha ka kai phot halor ke jing pra ya ka jong ka dom.
And also there were some financial approvals also were required because since the scope of work has also been increased. Additional amount, not much, but as you see there certain the scope of work has increased. Because of that the revision was required. So that has also been approved, so the work can proceed now. And we have also complied with all the observations made by Guwahati IIT upon the collapse of the dome.
Ka Menteri Ketenat Kakut Kekia ikong Amperin Lengdo ila pentip bakidan sa kumbasan ngut ki balaya bitma ya kajing pang COVID-19 hame khalaya ka balai kentiu kajing don jong ki badang don ya kan kajing pang ka jala sha ka khatsan ngut ka Menteri kala pentip ru ba ar ngut kilayo ya kan kajing pang kilakot no ha kini ki arso kata balada West Garo Hills District kadon kidan khatwe ngut ki badang don ya kan kajing pang apapun pau bakadon kajing kiu jong kibayo ya kan kajing pang West Garo Hills Dangshen ikong lengdo ila ang baka sarkar kam kwa banwan ra ya kajing maham ki bom dadon kam than namar kawan ra pat ya kajing kuslai ya ki briu hakaleng kajala ikong lengdo ila kan turu ya ki tu ki bawan na ki jakai ki babun kibayo ya kajing pang ban syong quarantine shwa ya lade apapun pau bakadon kam ya kinong syong snang ban pikir ya lade khnang bakan kta ya kayat kayang jong ki patba ila ang ba kajing shim benta renti jong ki patba kala yarap ya kajala miklaya ban yada ya kajing kiu jong ki bayo ya kan kajing pang
is very low at 14 active cases 14 or 15 I'm not sure but I just received an update
as of today.
Yeah, so I would suggest that as a state citizens themselves should police themselves so that we do not inconvenience the entire public at large. We have seen that that has worked. In the last phase of COVID, we saw that it is the participation of the public that has actually helped the state of Meghalaya contain the cases from going upsurge.
Kami Khlaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Gentle Hills nin kasngi kala panlong ka seminar at Thomas Jones Senate College Jowai da ka jingtmu ban pensapriang jingtip apreng kilong kmi lang bag movement balatip Dakar My Rights and Me as a leader hapo ka Her World Her Voice hakani ka program Laidan lang da IW lang do State Secretary MBS and G kumi kongsan bar I lami sakalitan I Vice Principal ka Thomas Jones Senate College kum isumbot kongsan. Kibla ajing kran hakani ka seminar kikan thobi kong Rosie Bang District Organizing Commissioner Guides bar ikong Shimti nong tudu Ranger. Hakani ka seminar lawan ni simbanta da ki guide captain ki guide student bat ranger na Thomas Jones College bat ki school pair hajawai ka district level industrial exhibition balai pusat balapan lang da ka office jong general manager ka district commerce and industrial center hajawai kala kutno hanen kasngi halat labo indoor sports hall madan dai masi hajawai kidon kumbaso po artli ki stall na kitnat sarkar ba pair bat ki self help group na West Gentle Hills district ya kani ke exhibition la play perda da umele ke jawai uba wailat miki shela ubalalong ukong sana kani ke jingela ha ke jingya dan rengkat jong deputy commissioner ke West Gentle Hills uba BS Sulia kum usumbot kongsan hab ajing kran ha kani ke jingelang general manager ke DCIC uba e malngyang ila pentip ba ke jing tmujong kani ke exhibition kalong ban penslori ki samla ki bempat dan kam dan jam ban seng ban sedang yela ki kam lajong.
Layu ini yang sorkar, naduk sorkar di berim, di department di berim, yang ke industries, ke basin, dari ke NRLM, di bone kampen. Cimon, di training, di egi. Tamai por menchua nyau si yu wa ikon kendru biong I bonsin depulai negeri training large negeri training depulai negeri training large negeri training mem uman I kiwa tekiwa impatient lene kiwa be kiwa yai cha I yakdom pa I yak profit
Ka Composite Hospital BSF Shillong kalau penlong yang work in interview basita yaw lenten nakabanta ki specialist doctor apa ka contract basis. Kani ka interview kala sedang nadu ka arpoterik uyayang bat kanya piteng hadu ka santerik ujamang nakabanta ki post balai thli ha ki department ba pair bakan thop ya ka pathology, gynecology, ophthalmology, general medicine, radiology bat anesthesiology. Kini ki badan come on bat jingthmu kila banlej nadu ka Porsche pobaje menstep hadu ka Porsche baje no phais ngi ha ka office jong DIG MEDMS CAPFS Composite Hospital BSF Shillong ha ka sngi long tray ringkat bat ki resume lani ki CV ki original documents kumjo ki photocopy jong ki code ki slaban pensisha ya ki jing pule ki code pensisha ya ki jakasa ki ID sarkar bat santali ki dur passport size ki jing siu tulab na kamta kini ki contractual post kan long propson hajar tengka ha ka shi benai mantapan ni pe ka jinglong jiman ka sunang ha Shillong ka jing shet ka long apnyo pon degree Celsius bat ka jing krek ka long khat prop 0.5 degree Celsius ka jing ngam ka hau ka long rupun ki spa man step anyo na ki spa jan met kala bandan ka jing hap slap ka ba malum malai kat tu ka ne ki jaka Ashwa bangin penkut no yakni kubor jongim daga janmet ni pen kemau pi begini kubor nalor ka pi ik television pilaru pet live ha ka ju hi ka por ha ka YouTube channel jong news Shillong na ka batai kubor paman na ka sngi pilaru ban pe ik kubor jong news Shillong ha ka Instagram Facebook bat Twitter Shwa ban poi ka bukut jong tu kubor ni pe biang sai sen ni kemat bokong san Larake yak National Services Day bakan Rio ha Shillong ha Pinewood Hotel. Nakadaw jong kajing shit kerang palaga sngi en kang sipor ya barok ki jaga pulih hadangar bat ki jaga bamarjan ngabanta shiteo nadu ka arpo wai terik uyayong. Penyai ulam pang kajing dorbar thoan ke jelau Thomas E Sangmaya kajing elang jong ka High Powered Committee. Bat sesangut kibibit ya kejimpang COVID-19 hangam Mikhalaya pentip kementeri kekocekia ikong amperin lengdok. Dia perlu keting na poisok bukod jang tuk ubor jang imita ka janmit hadu menyam yang bat pila syai kasi boleh pi barok.
देख रहा है मेरे पास भी यही इलेक्ट्रॉनिक प्रोडक्ट है सारे फीचर्स धांसू हैं ऊपर से इतनी कम प्राइस जल्दी से खरीद डाल
रुक
तू ढूंढ क्या रहा है
कंट्री ऑफ ओरिजिन देख